Well, good morning, Thompsonites. It is day 3 of our trip to Utah, and right now I'm heading to go to Starbucks to get Jessica her coffee. I'm gonna get a couple breakfast burritos from Taco Bell, which is across the street, but just want to give you guys a quick little shout out to go and check out our good friends Mom's Vlog 80. We have been over here and they've been on our thoughts constantly because of Elijah and the struggle and the fight they're going with. Today I'm gonna be sporting their shirt. Today's gonna be another extraordinary fun day. We're gonna be hanging out with a lovely family vlogging channel tonight. Well, 2 families actually. Hi, where are you going? I gotta get some chips for this little shenanigans tonight and whatever else I decide, whatever's in here, I don't know. But we're at Smith's store. I'm guessing this is like a Safeway. You wanna get a cart? Wanna get a cart? Okay. This one? Okay. Okay, come here, get in. She got her groceries. You look like a little princess.
Look at that.
Oh, it was a fire truck. Fire truck. See the fire truck? I'm gonna go through the drive-thru, but there's 19 cars in line, so we're gonna go in and try to beat 19 cars. Get in here. What do you want? She wants a caramel frap.
Caramel frap?
Yeah,
No coffee in it?
No, plenty of coffee. It's not for her. It's for Mom, but. Hey, how you doing? Being a good girl? Being a good girl? Stop looking at me! Well, maybe just one sip. Maybe just one sip. Uh-oh. I'm not even sorry. Thanks. Hi, how's your milk? Yum yum. In Journey's Tom. We're experiencing some high winds in this car right now with the AC vent and everything, so I'm so glad I got my little fuzzy guy up here to block all the wind. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you'll see tomorrow's vlog, yesterday's vlog. Alright guys, listen, I'm over here. My wife took it, and now Journey has it, so I need to have my taste because I haven't had it yet. So this is from Tyson Waters. Thank you so much. It's Pepsi, the crystal Pepsi he gave me last night when we left his house. So cool. But Journey was chugging it. Jessica chugged it because she was thirsty. So here we go. You ready? First try of this crystal Pepsi. I've never had this before, you guys, so first time.
I want my nose.
You want your nose?
Yeah.
What? Okay, here we go. Energize. Actually, it was pretty good. It's not cold, so obviously it's gonna have a different taste. Oh wait, what? Have you drink? Do you want to do it with Daddy? Okay, come here. Let's do it, Daddy. Grab your water. Grab your water. Ready and.
You're just like,
oh, go, okay, go there. Say hi, guys. Oh, we're going again. Okay, round 12.
we have the strawberry monster back here. She's been scarfing down strawberry after strawberry.
I guess she was.
Yes, she has. We are en route to our next YouTuber's house. We're gonna give you guys a huge clue. So if you watch daily family vloggers and I give you this clue, you're probably definitely gonna know who it is.
Can I play? I want to play.
You wanna play? Do you wanna give the clue or you want me to give the clue?
No, I want to guess after you say the clue.
Oh, okay. They have 7 kids. Do you know? Do you know?
Yes. My family. Wait.
Oh, they do.
No, my family doesn't vlog. I'm just one of the offspring.
Oh, gosh.
It would be fun if they all vlogged.
We're gonna head to their house. I think we're gonna do a barbecue, maybe some games. Hey, look, once again, mountains, 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 mountains.
Yeah, I keep looking at this one over here.
I
It's
know.
so nice.
It's really cool, especially with the clouds behind
Here, you
it.
watch the road. Let me look at this for a
Mountains,
second.
mountains, mountains, mountains.
Oh, what is the speed limit?
I haven't seen a miles per hour sign anywhere. I just keep seeing these HOV 2+ only suspended motorcycles and
we
trucks.
keep seeing these signs. We don't have these in California.
What does that 0.35 mean? Is
You
that like
Utahns,
35 cents per mile?
Tell us what it means.
With your secrets.
And what is the speed limit?
I don't know.
Been here for a couple of minutes, but I'm gonna show you guys whose house we're at, so take a look. We are at, do you guys recognize it? It's the Tannerites house. So everybody's in here. We've got some little kitties over here. Oh, you vlogging too? Yeah. Nice.
It's nice. Like that and say step up, step.
Oh, look at that.
Uh-oh, it's close, it's close.
Oh, look at that. He's gonna fan you. Personal fan.
Good job. You did good.
Look, put your hands out like this. And put your hands out.
She's a little bit nervous. She's not nervous. She's never met a bird before. How was your trip up here? Good. I worked
Oh my gosh.
So it's not a big deal.
It wasn't a big deal. I just chilling someplace. Sang some songs. She drove for the first 4 hours.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, where's your job?
Captions come this way.
There's a fly.
Journey, are you gonna stay here for the weekend?
Are you hanging out with the big girls?
On the lens. At one point, it's all of a sudden like.
So before we get started, we're doing an SQS with the Tannerites and the Ambriz family. And right now we're setting up because Ambriz brought his 360 camera. I say Ambriz. It throws out the channel twice. Ambriz! Hi! So yeah, we're gonna use the 360 camera, so you have to watch Tannerites channel. We'll put the link in the description.
They need to get the VR headset and feel like they're in the living room.
Exactly, yes. Turn the sound all the way up, the bass all the way up, close all the windows, kick everybody out, and grab some popcorn.
It's so cool. I'm excited to see what it looks like. 360. We're in a circle, so close.
Question. Listen, guys. The question is, I think you need to get.
I was going to say flying, and then I was going to say reading minds. So I will go with walking through walls.
Oh.
Yeah.
We got a robber on our hands. I'm a millionaire
I
overnight.
have to tell everybody. Okay, so don't forget. He loves little hair ties. Is he cool? He doesn't like to be petted.
Below the head, below the head. Wave of wonder.
This is so cool.
Just watched Aladdin, so.
They can see
Who's the singer in the family? All of you?
Allie and Danielle.
Ah.
He's
Get that there. Scratch that. Scratch. Yeah.
He's getting all your hair.
Yeah, get off. Get off.
He thinks you're scratching his
There we go. There we go.
He's like, oh, are you gonna rub my neck?
Like, what's going on?
I know, isn't that cute?
Oh,
Little head.
he's loving Tyler.
I know.
Massive. I'm like,
So we just got done filming their Sunday question video with the Tannerites and then the Ambriz family, and the kids are all outside. They did pretty good during the filming. I was impressed, all the little kids, but then as soon as it was done, everyone was ready to go outside. They have the cutest play area at the Tannerites house, and these little ones are having a blast on the climbing wall. So let me show you. Journey, you're doing so good, baby. You're okay, put your foot down. Put your foot, there you go, good job. So Journey's up there, and then that is their son Az, the Tannerites. But they got a cool thing, like I gotta get Tyler out here because he knows that I want the trampoline in the ground and they have it. So he's gonna have to look at that. So they've got the barbecue going right now. We brought some chips, so we should be eating pretty soon. They're so cute. She just asked her how old she is. She goes 2. What's your fingers up? We're gonna have to teach her. I've been showing her 3 because she'll be 3 next week, but she's like still on 2. Aww. Oh, soft.
so poor Journey. She thinks, well, we think she got stung on her nose.
Yeah, because you can see the white.
And Sarah's putting lavender oil, you said, on it.
And we have all Journey's backup crew right here. You guys are being support crew. Very cool. You're being helpful.
Thanks for bringing her in.
Yeah, Journey, say hi. Distract.
Does that feel
Let
better?
me see the owie on your nose. Just look there. I want to make sure it doesn't get any worse. You got little white dots.
We may or may not
Yeah.
visit this cute little.
Does it hurt? Okay, so don't touch your nose, okay? Let it be so it can heal, okay?
Keep playing.
So we're just over here. Everybody's getting tore up. I almost whacked my head on some lights.
Say thank you.
Yeah, yay, that was good. I got my new pet just hanging out with me.
Bringing me in here.
Thank you, Sarah. Appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you.
I was like, do you have baking soda? Let's put that on. That's what I
Which
did.
hazel works the best, but
That or mud. We did mud growing up.
Okay, here you go. It's right there.
Oh, look, the bird, yeah.
So, stung by a bee.
Yep, Johnny. Blame Johnny.
I am a bee. Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Isn't that crazy? I was saying she's been stung before and she didn't have allergic reactions though. You're
So
sick.
far, so good,
See,
right?
yeah, I'm
Like,
a
it's
tough
not
girl.
swelling.
So that's 2 down. 7,
Who else
4,
wants to?
9. We got like 11 to go.
11 more kids to beat up.
Including dolls, yeah. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're playing spoons, and there's 4 of us left. We got the Ambriz channel, we got Tannerites, and then Jessica and
We're
myself.
repping for our
Allie,
channel.
Danielle, Allie, yeah. What? So we're gonna go for the round 3 and see who's eliminated this round.
We've never played this before. It's spoons. And this is what I have. I have to
Spoons.
get
This is
4
what
of
I
a
have.
kind. I have to get 4 of a kind. You want to trade?
What do you got? You got anything good? I knocked the white.
I do not lose. So it's TLife versus Dun dun dun.
So really,
This is getting intense.
It's her versus the winner.
He's talking smack. What do you got? You got anything better?
What do you got? All this.
No smack talk. I think Tyler lost. Champion.
I'm gonna go do it, boys.
We are about to eat, so let me show you all the delicious food that we have.
Yours like Lay's?
You have to do the Lay's chip challenge.
Hey, listen. Here we go.
That would be fun.
Start filming.
Uh-oh. We're vlogging at the same time.
Everybody
Awkward. Yes.
This recording with the red J,
Got the breakdown.
white J and the red is barbecue sauce.
dun,
This
dun.
with the fancy new J Dogs,
Ooh.
right? This is the J Dog sauce. The one with the racer on top. It's hot.
no, it's the
J-Dog
real
sauce.
stuff.
So which one do you
I
recommend?
don't know what that is.
The girls are recommending J-Dog.
Ketchup.
It's a good one. Okay, let's do it. What do you have in here?
Okay, so the
Oh, you have some little girls. I think you guys are the same age. How old are you guys? You're 2. How old are you? You're 4? Oh my goodness, Journey, I think you're just a tall girl. She's been way taller than all the kids that she's hung out with. You're 2?
Who's in charge? Raise your hand. Okay, everybody's in charge. That's what I like to see. Your drooly chips, huh?
A lot more.
I know, right? Oh. Can you say thank you to Johnny? Say thank you. Like a chant. Is it bad?
You can't even see it anymore.
Oh, she's like, I got this. These don't got nothing on me.
Wow, that is amazing.
So,
Hey, babe.
Yeah?
oh.
Honey! Honey, I don't like spiders. Gross.
Ah!
Serious, we are about to get a brand new subscriber.
Ready, set.
We're gonna have her and the number in the picture.
Let us know when you went.
Here we go.
No, tell me when.
Are you
Tell me when.
gonna point it to them and then click it?
3, 2, 1. Subscribed. Get notifications.
Oh!
Yeah! It's live
Now
count.
unsubscribe.
Yes, unsubscribe.
Okay,
Let's see.
what?
Hold on, yeah, just keep on doing it.
Oh, there we go.
I hate people like that.
I unsubscribed.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
come on!
Okay, and I subscribed.
I hate people like this.
There it is.
Oh, yeah!
So we decided that a hornet or a wasp stung her. Come here. And it looks like she like
said, no, I'm not taking this and I'm gonna fight it. Come here. Where's Journey's nose? Okay, don't move. Stay still. Look at that. I don't see nothing. It just looks like a little red.
So we can put it on.
You look like you're having too much fun because you got red marks over you.
Why does mine look taller? Because you're taller. That's true. Okay. California. Where's the button? This one right here? Yeah. Test.
Okay, you can't see everybody.
Oh, we need more. Anthony, get in here, dude. Alright, so you three, lean in. Back in, go. I feel like a cheater with this stick. Alright, who am I missing over here? Nobody? No. Okay, everybody's in. Don't cut off very close. Oh man, you guys look so pretty. And ready, 1, 2, 3, cheese! Got both cameras. Hello. Let's triple kiss. Shall we triple kiss? Oh, we shall. Triple kiss. Oh, that was so hot.
I missed the whole thing. Tyler got tackled. It's crazy in this house. We made this little sign for the Tannerites, and we let the little kids, oh guys and girls, we let the little ones draw all over it, so it's got some nice artwork. We are going to put this on there.
Tannerites fan wall.
Their Tannerites fan wall. Okay, where is it? Look at how cool this is. It's huge. It's the whole wall.
Oh wow.
We're the Tannerites.
That's sweet.
Okay, we have to put ours like right in the middle.
Take somebody off.
Just right here.
This is cool. It's like a book.
Where does Branson put his pin?
All right, we're officially off the wall.
There it is.
Yay. Okay, guys, we had a blast over the Tannerites house with the Ambriz clan. Boom, shakalaka, boom. And we will see you when we see you.
Woo!
You heard it.